Hello everybody! It's been 1 year since we got this GE refrigerator. I have put that white plastic over the family photos that are on there. That there's nothing wrong with the door. We'll take a look at it. There's my magnet I made from the badge from the 87 GE. Still in place and still doing fine. We'll take a look at it. I do like the controls up here at the front, easy to access. Filter's not too bad to change. It's a model GDE 21EGK URWW. R600 refrigerant, made in Mexico. So I do like the glass shelves, easy to clean. This will go either side, whichever side's more convenient. And then we'll keep all our vegetables and stuff there. So far none of this plastic is broken, so that's a good thing. Seems to be holding up okay. One thing I wish this had that it doesn't, I'll show in the 82 GE. I would have liked that 2022 GE to have these little flip-up doors. I kind of like those to keep butter and stuff like that in there, as opposed to it just sitting out like that, which it's no big, huge deal. It's pretty good. I mean, it's made it 1 year and nothing's broke on it yet. Door shut nice and smooth. We just keep our everyday items in here. You can push that back and get to the bagels and stuff like that we keep, and my homemade bread. Getting a little crusty in there. I need to do a little deep cleaning, but makes plenty of ice, makes it quickly. So no problem there. I do prefer the metal back cover over the cardboard from the 87. Makes it easy to get the back cover off and clean the internals. And the internal fan has a really high-pitched whine to it, and that's taken quite a while to get used to that. And again, I'll go back to the 82. I much prefer the sound of it running. As you can hear, nice and steady and strong. And this one is currently not running, so I will come back when it powers up, and you can hear that whiny internal fan it has. So it just powered up. And there's the sound of that fan running. Sometimes it does it worse than others. Overall, for what's available now in modern times, this is probably about the best option I could come up with. It's just simple, not a lot of bells and whistles, and has suited my needs just fine over the past year. So once again, the overview of the 2022 GE refrigerator after 1 year of ownership. Thank you for watching.